Hey friends, welcome to my channel. If you are new, thank you for stopping by. I hope you see or hear something that you really like. Those of you who are subscribers, you know it. You know you are appreciated. And thank you for returning today. I am doing a 1-year review of a bag that I loved when I first saw it. I loved it when I purchased it. I love it each time I carry it, and I still love it today.
I'm never forsaken, never alone. The God of heaven, call me his own.
And who is she? Let me introduce or reintroduce to you Mrs. Coach Maggie. She is in the signature tan print, and I still love her. So let's just go through and we're going to talk about Miss Maggie. I first came in the market to look for a computer bag because I needed one for work. And I wanted more of a structured bag, but I wanted the bag to have some type of style to it. One of the other reasons I was looking for another bag is because I was carrying this bag. It's my vintage Louis Vuitton business bag. It has the top handle here, and I just love the structure of this bag. But I was finding that and carrying it was just maybe a half an inch or so too small for my laptop. So it was a struggle trying to fit the laptop in it, but I loved how it carried. So I was looking for something structured like this Louis Vuitton epi leather bag. And that's when I came across the Maggie. I began watching plenty of YouTube videos and saw so many people doing videos on this Maggie. So I ordered. I ordered online. I went to the outlet online and I purchased her. It was taking quite a while for the bag to be delivered, but in the meantime, I had attended my brother's birthday party, and there was a Coach outlet store near where his birthday party was, and that was in Maryland. And I stopped by the outlet and I looked at the bag in person, and I was torn between this color and the chalk. I had ordered the chalk, but when I saw this online, I had to make a change. So I purchased this one in store in the Maryland location, and she came home with me. So let's take a look at her. She has the Coach horse and carriage emblem on the front of her. She also has, let me adjust the camera just a bit so you can see a little more. Okay, there you go. So she also has her hang tag. And what I like about this bag is how this signature print are the large C's. But not only that, I love how this tan and then this darker, what is this called? I guess this is the brown signature print. I love the contrast of both of these together, which is one of the reasons why I purchased this one. So she has on the sides, the signature print continues, but the sides of the bag have the smaller C's. She does have feet, which are still in good shape. And you see how the condition of this bag, how she has held up over the year. And this is the opposite side. Now, as far as a carry, she has a top handle carry with two handles on the front. And then there is one on the back. Then there is a double strap And this is pretty similar to the Louis Vuitton on the go bag. The double straps are not removable. So you'll see the little brackets here. So they are not removable. So you can carry her that way. Now on in the inside, you have two D rings, and the D rings are available if you wanted to attach a shoulder strap. In all of my carries with the Maggie, I did not feel a need to have a shoulder strap, and a shoulder strap does not come with this bag, so you would have to purchase that separately. I use these D rings for charms. I hung all kinds of charms on this. And since this bag is neutral, the versatility of the colors that I was able to use with this was just endless. Uh, it has also this protection so your items don't fall out. And it is a magnetic closure, and it is pretty strong if you can hear it there. And after a year, it still has that same strength to that metal clasp. I'm going to unstuff her for a minute because when I'm not using her, I do keep her stuffed. So let's just take all of this out and show you what she looks like on the inside. There you go. Show the inside of her. She's still clean. This pocket. Oh my goodness. So there are many bags. Like I have the Empire in several colors, and it does fit my laptop. But what I like about this bag is that this pouch here is large enough to keep my laptop secure. So it's not knocking up against other items that I have that I'm carrying in the bag. So I do love that about this bag. On the opposite side, there is a zipper pouch. And in here, I normally carry like my card case for those cards that I use most often. So I carry those in here. And I'm thinking really hard. I would say if I had a con about this bag, the only con I would say is that while this closure is meant to keep your item secure, it does annoy me sometimes. Sometimes I just want it. I don't want this. I just want it to be open that way. So that would be the only con that I have about this bag. I love her so much that since I've purchased this Maggie, I have purchased the Maggie in the deep blue. And also, purchased the small Maggie in the signature print in a deep blue as well. So, this is the first of many. I believe I will for sure purchase some other Maggies in different colorways because you can carry her not just for a work bag. I can carry her to church. I can carry her like every day if I'm going out shopping and I want easy access to things that I want to put in and out of my bag. And because I use the pouch method, it makes things a lot easier for me to get to using the pouch method with this bag. So yes, her birthday has come and gone. And I am here to say happy birthday to you, belated birthday to you, Miss Maggie. And you will remain one in my collection. And thank you for serving me in all the purposes I need for my lifestyle. If you're thinking about the Maggie, I say think no further. Go in to purchase. Now, one thing I didn't talk about when I purchased her, I paid I think I paid $199 for her. I'll have to check. I think it was $199, and she's going for about 229 now. So you don't want to wait because these prices are increasing. I would say go out, get Maggie. You will not be disappointed.